Hi there, and thanks for joining me. Anne here, and together we're going to do some good work to release hurtful stress and anxiety. And to achieve that, we are going to use powerful and positive affirmations. Now, if you're familiar with my ways, prepare yourself for deep breathing and relaxation. If you're new, make yourself as comfortable as you can and know that you're very welcome here. This is your moment, just and all to yourself. All you have to do is relax and simply listen. So let's start by taking a good, slow, deep breath and exhale slowly. Good. Very good. Yes, now is your time. Your time to take a moment now just for yourself. Now you have found a comfortable position. You are ready to gently close your eyes. I'm going to ask you to breathe in deeply and slowly through the nose. Hold it a few seconds and then exhale slowly and gently through the mouth. Ready? So breathe in slowly through the nose and breathe out even more slowly through the mouth. That's it. Now do it 2 more times. In through the nose. Out slowly through the mouth. You feel your body begins to settle. So one more time, breathe in and out, slowly releasing all tension. Now your body is beginning to relax, and it means that your mind follows and becomes relaxed and open to positive suggestions and change. Now you can allow yourself to let my words gently guide you inward. All the scares and worries, all those stresses and tensions, all those anxieties and fears, they are leaving you now. With every breath you take, you begin to let go a little more. You may notice your shoulders softening, your chest opening, and your mind is beginning to quiet down. You don't have to hold on anymore. Right now, in this moment, nothing else matters but your own peace. Imagine now those old thoughts gently lifting like mist from the surface of a still lake, literally dissolving into the air. Gone, gone. This is your time to reset, to return to stillness. And in this peaceful space, repeat these 5 affirmations after me. You can do this softly in your mind or aloud if it is okay with you and where you are now. If you repeat it in your mind, I recommend you breathe in as you start every affirmation, as if you were breathing in the words as you pronounce them. And then exhale at the end of the sentence. So you breathe in as you start every affirmation, as if you were breathing in the words as you pronounce them, and then exhale at the end of the sentence. Got it? Here we go. I release all tension and allow calm to flow through me. My mind is clear and my heart is light. I let go of what I cannot control. I let go. Peace begins with my breath. I am safe, grounded, and at ease. Beautiful. Now, let these words gently settle into your being, knowing that you are free to repeat these positive, powerful affirmations again and again to return to this calm whenever you choose. Of course, you can also create your own affirmations and add them and change them as you go. How do you feel? If this moment lifted you even a little, please click subscribe for more positive affirmations and guided suggestions. You can also check out our new website for customized affirmations and hypno sessions. Peace and blessings to you always, and lots of love too.